How to disable save login info on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable save login info on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in the top corner you will find these three lines. Click on it and then click settings and privacy, and here you will find this one, security and login. Click on it, and here you will find here you will find save login info. Now all you need to do is just click on it one click and click remove, and that's it. As you see, save login info have been disabled. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.